Hey, here's the video on how to put together the platforms for your playground. So this is going to be an assembly, so you want to open up a new assembly file. The first thing that I'm going to place in my assembly is my main platform that I built. I don't want my platform to move around, so I'm going to right click on it and click Grounded. The next thing I'm going to place is my 4 main poles. One, two, three, 4. These poles are going to be inserted into the 4 holes on the main platform. To do that, you click on Constrain, and Insert is the 4th option over. You will then click on the end of a pole and one of the 4 holes. If the pole goes up like this, simply click the other option to make it aligned, and you will notice that it is now flush with the top of the pegboard. You want to make sure that this is the case. Then click Apply and insert your remaining 4 poles. Once you're done with all 4, click on your home view, and your main platform should look like this. The next thing I'm going to insert or place is my tri-platform. With the tri-platform, you're going to need 2 short poles. You will insert the 2 short poles in the same manner that you inserted the main poles into the main platform, by clicking on Constrain, and then Insert, which is the 4th one over, clicking on one of the short poles and one of the holes, and make sure it's aligned like so. The major problem comes in when students do not click the correct hole to insert the poles into. You want to make sure that you choose these 2 options and not put the short poles into the diagonal side. The next thing I'm going to do is Mate, which is the first option here. The top of my main pole right here on the left hand side, you'll see that a green dot appears to the bottom of the pole on this back left side, and again a green dot will appear. This mates the 2 poles together. Click Apply and close that, and you'll see they are tied together at that one point. The next command is a little challenging, so pay close attention. Click on Constrain, and then we're going to do an angle constraint, which is the 2nd option. And for the solution, you want the middle one, which is undirected angle. What we're going to do is click on the top of the tri-platform and the top of the main platform. This will make these align the same direction, and then click Apply. You can now tell that they're more closely interlocked, but they can still swivel. So we're going to do one more angle constraint on these. Click on Constrain, the 2nd option, and we're aligning the right face of the tri-platform to the right face of the main platform. Make sure you choose the 2nd solution here, and when you click Apply, they will line up. Go ahead and close that option, and you'll see it is now fully grounded and stuck onto the main platform. The last step is very easy. You just want to place your long pole into the assembly, and you are going to insert the 4th option over, your main pole or the long pole into the remaining hole in the tri-platform, making sure that it's aligned and flush with the top of the platform, and then click Apply. That concludes the construction of your platforms for your playground. You'll notice I have some extra holes in mine, and you may not have those yet. Those are to insert the crayon poles at a later time. But for now, you'll want to save this as a new assembly and call it Platform Assembly. Good luck, and thanks for listening.